Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to talk about DesiVDesi. So this is like the brand for healthy snacks. So I've ordered it from Amazon again, and these are beetroot chips, and the reason why I ordered it because like it's very good for the people who's on diet, and I just want to try this out. I just want to taste the beetroot, the real beetroot chips, because this is one of the vegetable chips available in India. People normally buy potato-based chips, but this one is completely out of beetroot, and the sugar is a bit high because it's from the beetroot background. So approximately 5 grams for this one, because it is a 15 gram pack, where this is quite small in my hand. I just saw that when I was buying it, it is a 15 gram, but it's very light. You can see that there are a few chips, like for example, maybe 7 to 10 chips inside it, maybe a little bit lesser than that. But the only thing is like it's dried, not fried, so the taste might not be that good. What do you expect? But this is one thing you want to go for if you're on diet, or if you're on, thinking of reducing your stuff, your fat or something. So one packet, it is one fresh beetroot, but I don't think so. Well, anyways, probably a smaller beetroot or something. But yeah, of course, 15 grams you cannot expect anything. But 40 rupees for this is a bit expensive. So that's it for my review. Thank you for watching. Okay, I just tried eating this, the beetroot. I mean, honestly, it's like you cut the beetroot into pieces, like this pieces, and then go to your terrace and then dry it off in the sun, and then pack it and send it across. That's what I felt. So there were like 4 more pieces of this thing, same thing, 4 more pieces of it, and I just had 2 and my mother had 2, but we never liked it. So I think it's gonna break the point where you're gonna ask yourself after eating this, should I be on diet, or I don't know, maybe. But anyways, I leave it up to you. But it doesn't taste that good. It doesn't taste even like a beetroot. It does taste like a beetroot between, but never mind. So anyways, I just want to add this part into this video so that you understand what happens after eating this. So I'll add another video if something happens to me later on, but I don't think anything happened to me. I'm just being a little bit cautious about it. But anyways, thank you for watching this video. Have a great night. Bye.